Alright, welcome to the Spartan Daily Recap for August 16th, 2022. Let's take a look at what we did today. A couple different things. Quite a bit of trading happened today. We were in a lot of different names. Obviously, if you guys are watching or have been trading in this market, you know that it's kind of like a meme market of 2021 or 2020. I can't remember when Jamie ran, but when all those names ran in January, again, that's kind of the very meme-esque type of trade. So we'll just go through the equity first. I was mainly on the option side today, but equity Tesla, we did this long this morning for 10 points. UPST long for 5.5 points off the lows, which was a fantastic trade. We also loaded up on calls there. We'll talk about that. Veru, long for 4 points on this one. We grabbed this one long right out the gate. I was looking for a break of that range to the upside. We did get it, and it was a fantastic little push to the upside there. FRZA long for 1 point this morning on the basically volume spike. MEGL short for 2 points. We did try taking it long, and we got stopped out for about 50 cents on that one, so that didn't work. Then IONQ long for about 70 cents to the upside, and we did take this AEY long at $2 for 20 cents. So very high hit rate on the on the equity side, almost 100%. You know, that's that. So one trade that we did on MEGL that we tried to go long that obviously didn't work, but other than that, very happy with what we did there on the equity side. Like I said, was mainly on the option side today. So what did we do? Big trade was FUBO. We grabbed this one long at the 5.5 calls, long at 20 cents. We traded this for 1,124% to the upside. And basically, we were looking at that range break off the lows, had room into this first level 608, and then if that level broke, basically the 835 level was tested. So really nice push there to the upside. SFIX, similar type of setup. We grabbed this long on the range break. We grabbed those 9 calls, and we got about 629%. We were trading into that top end range, and we did pretty much get it. SPX, we did this with this one intraday. We grabbed the 4310 calls, 4310 calls, and that one worked out pretty nicely. We got about 445% on that. Sorry, 4330 calls for 445%. We did the 4310s as well at the end of the day for 100%. BGFE, the 17.5 calls. The reason why we grabbed this one, former runner, sympathy, basically very similar to Bed Bath & Beyond retail name that's ran. And yeah, we got a nice little move on that one. So 367% there. SKLZ, my favorite looking name on the board right now off the lows. Former runner, you know, crap load of room, very cheap options. We did the 2.5 calls for 230%. SFIX, we also did the 8 calls for about 189% as well. So that was a really nice trade there. Now, there's a couple other things that we did, like the OSTK, the 40 calls for about 170%. We did SPX, like I said, the 4310s for 100% at the end of the day there and change. Chewy, 55 calls for 37%. What else did we do? Weight Watchers, we're swinging some of those calls. Snow, we got about 25% on those. The 180s. CVNA, 70 calls. They didn't really do anything. They went up about 25%. That's about it. Beyond 40 calls for about 20%. LMND 35 calls. We ended up taking those off at the end of the day. We did some Kirk. I believe it was 7.5s for 100%. Yeah, 7.5s for 100%. OSTK 40 calls. We got about 100% on those too, which was nice. Sava 25 calls. We tried the 25 calls for 20 cents. Those ended up not working. BGFE 17.5 calls. 200. Oh, we were talking about that one. Bed Bath & Beyond. We did a couple times. So Bed Bath & Beyond. On the dips, what we did is, well, first and foremost, when it was pushing to the upside, we grabbed the 45s. We got 100% on, or sorry, not 100%. We got about 81% on those. And then on this little dip that occurred, I think it was right here, yeah. Right there, that dip that occurred, we grabbed the 40 calls, and we got 168% on those very, very quickly. HD, another one that we did for over 100%, the 340 calls. And that's it, guys, on the option side. So very high hit rate. The percentages that we did get or hit moved quite well. And yeah, we'll see what goes on tomorrow, guys, with these meme names. Kind of a crazy market. If you guys want to come trade with us, you can do so. Sign up to the website, www.spartantrading.com. You can go to the live chat there, sign up, you get access to the live stream, all the entries, exits, ads, stops on all the ideas for options and equity. And we do stream from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. every single day, so nonstop. There's always someone on the mic. I'm on for about 7 hours or 6.5, I guess, and the other 2 main mods are on for an hour and a half, which is South Beach and Beth, while I take a little bit of a break intraday. But yeah, it's a nonstop action. We have a lot of fun. Obviously, if you look at the statistics, we're very consistent in what we do. And yeah, we usually can find out what's moving in the day. We're never just sitting on our hands and waiting. So if you guys want to come trade with us, you can do so. Otherwise, there's the free Discord link in the description of this video. If you have any questions, go to SpartanTrading.com, reach out there. Thanks for watching, and have a great rest of your day.